Okay. Y'all done had y'all holiday. Now it's time to prepare for the artist holiday. Okay guys, so I went to Michael's yesterday and it's raining. I went to Michael's yesterday to get some things because I'm trying to make this flower bouquet, and now we're going into Hobby Lobby because I still need a few things. So I just realized I'm probably gonna be in that entire intro. Yes. Come on, ladies. I have my crew with me. What did I say I needed again? Oh, I wanted to look for the director's cut thing. Y'all, how I like come to the store and can never find what I'm looking for is so crazy to me. It's literally beyond me. And I've been to a couple stores, still don't know what to do. Because I'm looking for, and I should have ordered it, but I'm last minute with everything. I decided to do this $100 bouquet last minute, and I need the wrapping paper that goes around it. And no store like sells it, or it's not thick enough. And I'm stressed, literally. Fresh off of work, right? And I match the molding things. So let me tell y'all what's on today's agenda. So today I need to go to Party City. I need to put in an order for 2 dozen black balloons for the pictures that I am trying to take. And I also need to go to Barnes & Noble to get another book. I'm making a kind of like book bouquet for this really sweet and funny girl. I call her my twin because we have the exact same birthday, which is January the 2nd. And I want to create that for her. And then today I also, the $100 bills come in from Amazon. So I need to start creating this money bouquet for myself as another prop in my photos. And I think that's all I have on the agenda today. If anything else comes up, you guys will see it in the clips after this one. Yeah. I miss my guy that's enthusiastic in the morning.
No. Did you see me grabbing my face? I was waiting for him to fucking scream. But he didn't.
Dunkin' for breakfast. Okay, so now I'm off from work and we're at Barnes & Noble's because I told you guys I had to buy my twin another book for her book bouquet that I'm making. I had already got her one book. The first book that I had got her was, what is that book called? Songbirds and Snakes. Yeah, the Hunger Game book is the first book that I got her. And now I'm looking for, oh, yeah. Always and Forever. Yeah. It's that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get her this book. And we're sure she doesn't have this book.
I'm sure. She only has the first 3.
Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, so we pulled up to Party City. I have to go in here and order black balloons.
Inspectah.
Now time to sew in the hair.
Inspectah.
Inspectah.
Good morning, y'all. It is December 30th, and you guys are gonna watch me create this flower money bouquet. I was supposed to do it the other day when I got home from work, but these bad boys did not arrive from Amazon until the last second. So let me tell you, it gave me a delivery time from 6:45 to 9:45. So I'm thinking, okay, 6:45, anything in between that, 9:45. They were delivered at 9:45. So why would you give me the before or in between? I was so upset because I'm getting my hair done today, which, you know, that's why I have a bonnet on and you guys haven't seen it yet because it's not finished. But that's why I wanted to do this the other day. But we're gonna do it now. I'm just gonna show you guys all of the things that I got. I will include the video of the girl that I've seen because I got this idea from a girl on TikTok. Don't know her name off the top of my head, but shout out to you. Shout out to you. Start with, of course, the $100 bills. It is a total of 100 $100 bills. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting them I'm getting them done tomorrow. If you say anything, you're anti-black. Period. So I got these off of Amazon. Now my other problem is I don't think I have enough. So I don't think my bouquet will be as big as hers, but that's okay. It's okay. When I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby, mind you, I went to like 2 or 3 of them each. And they didn't have the same foam blocks as her, so I'm gonna have to do some construction and file these down some and just work with this. I did get 2 of them because she had 2 of them. I have a lot of invisible tape to fold my $100 bills. I did get the same Gorilla Spray adhesive that she got, and this was for when she put glitter on her roses, which I got glitter too. And then my roses, I already had roses, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on fake flowers. And then I also wanted some roses that looked pretty real, so I already had some, and these are what they look like. Now the stems are short because we use them when we're catering parties and stuff like that. So I'm just going to add the sticks to my roses as well. And good thing after it's all put together, it's wrapped up, so you won't even see the sticks. But I also have a bunch of sticks. I actually bought these. These don't have the point on the end, which would probably be a little harder, but luckily, shout out to Mom Dukes, we had these upstairs in the pantry. So, and these have the point. So I'm probably gonna use these first, and if I run out of these, I'll just work with the ones I got from Michael's. And then I got this gift tissue paper. I'm gonna work with this to try to wrap the big bouquet because I'm last minute with everything and like decided like a couple of days ago that I wanted to do this bouquet after I had seen it. So I didn't have a chance to order the outer layer, what they wrap the bouquet in. So I'm hoping this will work. When we opened a pack in the store, shh, don't tell nobody that, but when we opened a pack in the store, it felt like and looked like the same material. So I'm hoping it'll be able to, it'll be easy to mold and shape like I want it to. And the only thing that I don't have that she had was the hot glue gun. I'm just gonna stick with the invisible tape. Hopefully it works the same, but we're gonna struggle together, so let's go. Okay guys, let's get started. I had to get a box because I didn't have a box, but this is what she used to put the glitter on her flowers. She used the box, I believe, and then, you know, she put the glitter in here, sprayed the flowers, drenched them, she said, in glitter. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use my hair box because it won't be of any other type of use to me. So I'm going to start with the glitter, and this is Recollections Extra Fine Glitter in the color Cherry. Yep, in the color Cherry. I got this one because I wanted something to be very vibrant and to show up. Since the roses are red, hopefully it'll do the trick. So I am going to dump all of this glitter in here. You don't have to do that, but that's just what I'm going to do. If I can get the top off of it. Goodness. They sure make these childproof. Ah! You know what? I deserve that. I have it on my pants and my shirt, guys. I deserve that one. Okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna have glitter everywhere. Do this at your own risk. Ah! It's all over my floor. Sorry, y'all. I had to quickly reevaluate life after I just did that. But, okay. So, okay. I'm going to have glitter everywhere. So I'm going to put a bunch of glitter. Okay. I'm going to put the top back on that just to be safe. And then she took the Gorilla Spray Adhesive Heavy Duty Build Repair and Craft. I can never talk, and I don't even have braces on anymore, y'all. Okay. And then she sprayed. Oh, look at that. And it doesn't have to be all over. So this is actually perfect. I also forgot that I need somewhere to put them after I dip them because they have to dry. So BRB. Okay guys, I have in the box. So as I go, I'm just going to carefully sit them in there.
Prod.Inspectah. Inspectah. Inspectah.
Inspectah. Inspectah.
Levi, this one.
Inspectah. 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 Inspectah.
Okay, so I am fresh out of the shower. I had to pop a pimple and this is stressing me out. But I am getting ready to get dressed so that I can go to the store with my mom and then go to my nail appointment. So I'll show you guys the outfit of the day. And today is December the 31st, if I didn't say it already. Okay, so this is the outfit of the day. Just a little athletic set. Don't mind my background because I'm cleaning my room. And yes, the bonnet is a part of the outfit of the day because I haven't finished my hair yet. But yeah, let's go. I just wanted to show you guys that all of my packages arrived. This one arrived a few minutes ago and not on the 2nd like it said, thank goodness. So all of my outfits and stuff are here and I can try everything on and make sure I like it. I am currently on my way to my nail tech's house. I was so in the zone on finishing my hair, I did not look at the time. My time to be at my nail tech's house was 2:30. It's 2:33. Good thing me and her are like this. And she doesn't live far from me. So it's like I could be there in like 5 minutes and she was cool with it. She's a really cool gal. Like, that's my girly. That's Morgie, you know? We don't play about Morgie. So, but yeah, that's where I'm on my way to. Get my nails done. Just driving to her house. If it looks like I'm speeding, I'm really not. I'm just trying to like get there. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll see you guys in there. Good afternoon to my artist gang. It is January 1st. Happy New Year's, y'all. My birthday is literally tomorrow. And if I wasn't stressed out before, I'm stressed out now. I have a habit of thinking everything is not gonna go the way that I want it to go. So I have to like get out of that. But we are currently on our way to some stores because my husband needs a outfit for our outing this weekend, because you know my Jordan year is a all weekend event. A all week event. So I finished the money bouquet. I got my director's chair. I had to order more money for the money bouquet, but they sent me 20s instead of 100s, so now it's like all mixed in and it kind of looks weird, but whatever. I had to work with what they gave me. And yeah, all right, I'll see you guys at the store, maybe. Peace. What's up to my artist gang? It is officially January 2nd today. It is officially my Jordan year. Yeah. big 23. And I was able to finish my hair. These curls in the front, I'm going to have to recurl and probably put like some hairspray or something on it. Oh, getting stuck in my nails. I'm gonna put some hairspray on it so it'll stay. But I really love this hair and I love how big it is. I just hope it goes with everything. I have a frontal and almost 5 bundles sewn into my head. You know, the frontal glued down, 5 bundles sewed into my head, and I absolutely love it. I just left my job because I was actually off today, but my co-workers ended up getting me some gifts and I wasn't expecting it. So right now I am on my way to pick up my balloons from Party City. Hopefully they are ready. They did say that they would be ready by 1:30. I'm getting them from the Party City out Catonsville. Of course, if you're from Baltimore, Maryland, if you know, you know where that Party City may or may not be. I got red and black balloons. I got the red hearts and I got black stars for the photo shoot or the pictures that I am taking today. I love the fact that when I have my map on, it tells me where there is a speed check or something ahead. Like, yes, because I need to avoid all tickets at all costs. But I'll see you guys there. My balloons right there. Those are my balloons right there. The black stars and the red hearts. Y'all, when I tell you the real task was getting all of these balloons in my car, I wish I would have showed y'all how I just struggled. Like, how am I supposed to, like, pray for my drive home. Like, that's it. Just pray for my drive home. So right now I am on my way to take my pictures. We have the car literally compacted. You would have thought we were moving out somewhere. But I got my makeup done and all of that. I have my money bouquet, the balloons, the chair, all of my props. And I'll see you guys there.
Inspectah. Inspectah.
Inspectah. Inspectah. Inspectah.
Inspectah.
Me and the girls are getting our tootsies done. We're getting our tootsies done. Look at the nail shop crew! Nail shop crew! Yeah! Nail shop crew! Yeah! Yeah! What's up, artist gang? Today is January 6th, and this is when I am going to celebrate my Jordan year. Going out, me and all of my friends. This is round 2 of me going to get my makeup done. It is a rainy, dreary day, but that's fine. We still gonna make it work. And I'll see you guys there. Plus 57.
The final level had a suitcase.
The final level, the boss level. Right. We had to beat the boss to get out. Somebody got smart and sat on giant bags. I'm gonna make me a seat. This shit unsanitary. I ain't gonna sit on it. Like I was just like, oh, okay, they smoke up here, sure, whatever. And I'm like, wait a minute,
Then
it's here. Hold on,
it kept going down.
Someone died here.
Oh, right there. It's right there. Oh, that wasn't a bad walk.
I'll take this one. I'll take this.
I was gonna say, crush this hole.
I got you. I didn't know.
Yeah, ready?
I'm so far away. What the hell?
Okay, move it all around. Yeah,
3, 2, 1. Cheers! It's your birthday, chick. Girl, why did I got chicks?
You know something? You and Takia, bro. Just you. Why you gonna drive? Because ain't the rest of us.
And that's why I said somebody got to get home. Shit.